Well, my Wen 8x12 variable speed wood lathe.
I've been working on a lot of projects lately, and some of the wood projects I've needed for a long time. I've needed a wood lathe, so I picked up this one off of Amazon, and I want to say I think I paid $150. Really cheap for what it is, but quite capable, and I'm pretty excited to get it here. So let's open it up and see what it's got.
So first things first, been really happy with the Wen stuff that I've got. It's low price, but it's actually really well designed and typically pretty well thought out. I'd like a better lathe. I'm going to get a bigger lathe at some point, but this is what I had available to me. So right off the bat, it comes with some instructions, and then it's nicely packed in the foam as always, and there it is. So let's get it out. Looks like you got the two tool rests. Got some bolts and a live center, a dead center, all that kind of stuff. You've got some, these are the handles for tightening the rests. Got some tools, a wrench, another bar and an Allen wrench. And then that's about it. And then you got the lathe itself. So let's pull that bad boy out. And it is heavy. It's for what it is, it's pretty solid. I want to say it's at least 50 pounds, maybe a little more. And then underneath it is the faceplate. Now this spindle is a 1 1/8" spindle, which means you can put an adjustable chuck on it, which is a real nice feature for a lathe of this size. So let's get it out of the plastic. That feels really solid, I gotta be honest. That's pretty, for as little as it is, pretty heavy duty. All right, well, there's the critter right there. I'm gonna start putting it together, so comes with looks like a live center. It is a live center. That's cool. And then it's got the spindle. I don't know what that's called. I have to look it up. And then you got the set screws to hold the handles. You got the bigger handles. This is what it came with. So I'm gonna put this together right now. We'll see how long it takes me. Alright, we got everything off of it. Let's look at the instructions. It looks pretty straightforward.
And first thing first, you take one of the handles, take one of the springs, put it through there, put the bolt through there. Okay. And then this goes down here. For adjusting. Alright, that's pretty neat. In there. We'll have to get a flathead here and there, tighten down, but for now, just use this ruler. Alright, spring loaded. And then this. Now I got a chuck for this coming, but this faceplate is pretty handy. Put that there, and you want to tighten it, and then you just use this wrench
So that's about the gist of it. So you've got let's turn it on. Got the switch. There we go, spins smoothly. Oh, like glass. That is really cool. I am super excited. Well, let's get a piece of wood on it, try it out. All right, I've been playing with this for a little bit. And you can see I'm working on a project. So while the epoxy's curing, let me go through the technical data. This has a 2 amp, 120 volt, 1/3 horsepower motor. Speed range is 750 to 3200 RPMs. Distance between centers is 12 inches. Driving spindle thread is 1/8. So it's 1 inch, 8 threads, or 1 inch by 8 threads per inch. The swing is 8 inches. Tailstock spindle holes 3/8. Headstock is MT1. Tailstock is MT1, and it has a 5-inch face plate. It sells for $153. I don't know. I'll have to look that up. Anyway, I am totally pleased. All right, I have some old railing that is no longer needed. Give this thing a try, and I'm just eyeballing it. Probably should be a little more diligent on this, but you know. So let's see what it does. Oh, it's got to go quite a bit more. All right, that is pretty badass, I gotta say. I'm just playing, I haven't even got a plan or anything. It's cutting like a dream. I had to make a few adjustments, my bad. Got to make sure this catch is in the guide before the tailstock will work. And these are adjustable by pulling on them. So if they're in your way, you can actually make an adjustment there. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this down to one size cylinder now. Oh my gosh, is that fun? That is so much fun. Holy cow, I am having a ball. Yeah, that is fun. I can't tell you. You can get one of these in my link below along with the chisel set and everything. Wow, this is fun.
I can see a lot of projects. I haven't done lathe work for a long time. Well, wood lathe work for a long time. So oh, almost got it perfectly round. I'll tell you what, this creates some serious sawdust, but this is fun. All right, just one little spot left. Right, well, that didn't take very long to turn that old piece of handrail into a round dowel. Now it's not perfect, but I didn't spend the time to make it perfect, but that was a heck of a lot of fun. And I see a ton of potential for this little lathe. So I will have some serious wood projects coming up pretty soon. Pretty stoked. I totally recommend it. Again, you can get it in my link below. What are you out?